Hello, welcome. This is Austin from Tclassified.com. Today I'm going to be showing us and updating us on the pre-screening for University of Abuja. Pre-screening for University of Abuja. Most of us are preparing for the post-UTME for the various schools, and today I'm going to be telling us about that for the University of Abuja. Now, if you want to do the pre-screening application, some people call it post-UTME application. It has to be done. This is the website that was used for it towards the ending part of last year. The website is infosys.uniabuja.edu.ng. So once you hit this in your browser, you're going to see this website open. So that is their new website, and you can from this instruction you can actually get how to go about applying for your post-UTME. You can see it says, "Hi, we just released a new version of Infosys 360, so you can access everything, both main and hostel, from our 360 point with more features and flexibility from here. Provide your matric number / email and password to access your account. Your password is your last name, all in the lowercase. For example, if your name is Otaki as your last name, your password will be in small letter Otaki. All admitted students can log in with their application number pending the time they are given matric number." So what does this mean? If you're a new student, like somebody that is applying for pre-screening or post-UTME, what you use here is your application number, in this case your JAM number. So you put your JAM number here, then you put your surname here. So that your surname, or you call it last name, should be in small letter. So once you put those two, then you click on sign in. Once you click on this sign in, then you'll be led into your dashboard where you can make your payments and register for your pre-screening. If you're around Gogolada or Abuja, once you come around, come to our cafe Tclassified.com or call my phone number so that we can help you do this seamlessly without you having any issue. So my phone number is 070-671-626-98. You're also gonna see it on this screen. Please, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so that anytime we upload any video, you'll be able to see it. If you have any questions and concerns about this UniAbuja pre-screening, please drop them in the comment section. Like I said, you can always call my number to help you in doing this. 070-671-626-98. That is my phone number. Please hit the subscribe button. Always click the like button and share our videos so that your friends can see them. Thank you for your subscriptions and support. Like I said, once the pre-screening starts immediately, I'll also update you. But I know that many people are anxiously waiting. So if you also need us to update you on this, you can also come to our office opposite University of Abuja, Law Faculty, opposite Law Faculty, University of Abuja. Call my number so that once you come, I can get your number and be updating you once it starts so that you know. My phone number is 070-671-626-98. You can also join the WhatsApp group, our UniAbuja Lectures WhatsApp group, so that anytime we upload videos on your lectures, you will see them, or anytime we update things concerning this very post-screening, you'll be able to see them. So please hit the subscribe button. Thank you and God bless you.